some classic airplane rules. Yeah, I haven't played this for a long time. I used to love this game, like love. Now I still do. Wait. Let me get my tool. I never knew that the game had these like tools or something. I thought it was like classic, but no, I can just like jump over them if I wanted to, like that. I can just do that. And I'm on the ship, like it's so easy. And look, I just kill people like here. Look, it's so easy. I just got 2 kills. That's my teammate, okay. Like, it's so OP. Why is my teammate throwing a bomb? Like, these 2 coils are like so good. Together, they're like yum. I'm at the ship. Oh my god, I need to get out. I need to get out. Whew. I might as well throw a bomb here. Might as well. Throw another one. Might as well, you know. Let me just break my own ship for no reason. My own airplane. Well, this game is so fun. Like, it's so fun. Like, just like really fun. They're like the best game in the world. Well, maybe not the best game. From now on, I am definitely gonna do more Roblox videos like that. I don't know how much other stuff like edits I'm gonna do, like edits. And don't make my name fool you, alright? I'm not only just doing edits. We'll spam. Also, if you haven't noticed, I have a new intro. It's honestly pretty bad. It's good for starters. Oh, that was a clutch. If there is too many, that is a clutch. Let's see if I can save myself. I hope I can. My plan is to get to the other ship. Maybe can I go up? No! I should just yeah. Wait, what? Our whole ship is gone. Oh. Why is there a bomb? Was that perfect timing or was that perfect timing? A speed coil? I'm at the bottom. Let me get back. Why are people dying? I can't land that clutch 2 times, I guess. Why is there a bomb out of this, dude? I'm gonna get the heal coil next. So using the grappling hook. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're so dead. You're so dead. You're so dead. You think a bomb can kill me? You think a bomb can get me? You think a bomb can kill me? Fight? Bro can't kill me. Bro is not gonna kill me. Bro is not gonna kill me. Why am I at their ship? Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Throw a bomb. Yeah. I'm just gonna shoot my base for fun. Let's see. I can get the heal coil. I can get the heal coil. I got it. Bro, why isn't the heal coil healing me? If it's not healing me, then what is it doing? Bro, really? Really? Wait, there's more? The instant time bomb. Rapid launcher. Ooh, you like rapid launch? That is OP, but I'm not gonna be paid to win on this game. Alright. Wait, I didn't know. Wait, Ryder's joined. He's gonna play with us, so yeah. Hello. Okay. Sure. I'm making a video. I'm making a video if you don't mind. Okay, join me. Join my private server. Ryder. Do you mind if I make a video? Dude, Ryder. Do you mind if I make a video?
Yeah, but will you mind that my mom will talk to my little brother?
Okay. Don't mind his background, okay? I'm already bombing your ship, literally. No, I'm the. Oh! I used the wrong coil. Guess where I am?
I died.
Bro, how did I not do anything? I'm gonna break your shit. Die!
No.
Did I kill you? I have the heal coil. What?
I'm here.
Come on, fight me. What? Bro, you're so low. You're actually low. Die. Yes. I got the heal coil, dude.
I know.
Dude.
I'm here again.
Guess where I am?
Maybe it's time at blue team.
So. Come. Are you scared? Yeah, take that. Ooh, take that. I see you. And just know I'm gonna lay a bomb. Just know.
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna start using my secret weapon, a tanker phrase. What? Yeah, you see, that makes me stronger.
Hey,
Ah!
I was going to tell you.
What?
Actually, literally, in your team. No, I mean in your team boat. Oh wait, what?
Guess what? I'm in your team boat. Ah! Bro. Yeah, get in.
How did I go inside?
Get in. Be scared. Ah! Jump. Ah, no. Ah! You're dead. You're dead. Where you at? You're scared. You're so scared. What? Hey!
They said they want to play another game. It's very fun.
What's it called?
It's drawing something, draw back.
No! You're so done. 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 Oh, juke. Juke. What? That, you're cheating. You're actually cheating. Ha.
After I receive 55 kills, you can draw back.
But you got a bomb. Wait, how do you... You die? Oh, you're still here. Dude!
Hey!
Bro! Actually, how? Bro!
Not my fault.
I'm actually getting mad at this game.
Oh my god, the way you just broke.
That's the bomb?
Yeah. That's fun.
Oh! Bro, actually stop. Ah! Yes!
I'm gonna get 55 kills so I can play the new game.
Yoink. Where are you at?
After I reach 10 more deaths, we will play the draw back.
I have 100 deaths.
No, that is me!
Bro, actually stop.
Oh, that is me, not you. I have to heal first.
You're not gonna heal. You think I'm gonna let you? No! Well, I'm actually raging to this game. Why? I love this game.
You could have actually does something.
What does the heal coil do?
If you use it, you'll get health.
Really? How much?
It's regenerating.
Oh, then kill me. I want to regen health. Let's do this thing. Jump! No, jump! Yes. Actually, stop. You're actually... You're just running. You're just running. You're the real stop. You're running! I'm gonna get the bomb.
Kill you.
No, you ain't.
You are. You're right. I really just died.
Beonk.
Later I'm eating pasta 14 because I hadn't eaten all from lunch.
Really? I tried to mix it something in with like the rocket or something.
We still have the force field, so I'm not going to attack.
Whoa! Actually, how are you so good at the game?
It's time to play a draw because I have 55 kills.
No. Let me get 50 kills. Let me get 50. Let me get
If you
50.
play it, I'll tell you how much I win.
Let me get 50 kills first.
Okay.
Die! Oh my god! You're okay. I'm gonna end the video here. But next episode, I'm definitely gonna get the bomb and maybe the crossbow too. Bro, stop! Actually, no, actually stop! Okay, bye guys.